Okay students, so now we are going to study the next method for arrays, that is searching method. In arrays we perform searching and sorting. These are the two processes we perform in arrays. Searching means to search an element in the array and to print its position will be termed as searching. Sorting means to arrange the data in ascending or descending form. Basically, if we see in searching, there are two types of searching in your syllabus, that is linear search and binary search. These are the two types of searching. If we talk about the sorting method, we generally use three types, that is selection sort, next is exchange selection sort, exchange selection, and third one is your bubble sort. But from your Icse syllabus, class 10 Icse syllabus, some part has been reduced or removed from the syllabus, that is your binary search has been removed and selection sort has been removed. These two topics are there. Exchange selection sort rarely used in your board examination, but bubble sort generally used in your board examination. So first of all, we are going to study about the linear search, that what is linear search. So linear search, if we talk about, it is a kind of a searching in which we search an element in sequential way. Sequential means one after another or one by one. We check the array elements one by one. That is termed as linear search. Such as, I am writing a definition, searching is done sequentially or find element one by one is known as linear search. This is termed as linear search method. Now I am writing a program such as write a program to input n numbers from the user enter a number to search in the array and print its position One more thing, if the number is not found, simply print that number not found. I am writing a statement, if number not found, display number not found. So this type of coding is being done. Now one thing I want to explain you, that these type of concepts which are used in arrays, it is being used in many types of things, such as big softwares are there. In that, if you want to search a number or value or any type of content, for example, in banking system, what happens if you want to search an account with a name? So simply you will type the name in a text box and that name will be matched with that all the names which has been entered in that bank and simply extracted that data for you. So for that purposes, searching is being done basically. So you should know that whatever we are studying, that what is being where it is being implemented in real life also, right or not? So let's make the program. First of all, we are creating a package to take the input from the user during runtime. So this is a package java.util.*semicolon. Generally this package is being used for a scanner object. So with the help of scanner functions, we will take input from the user. Now we are declaring a class linear, such as I am giving a class name linear. Next we are creating the function under which all the statements comes, such as I am writing search. Now first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply declare an scanner object. So I am declaring a scanner object, scanner sc equals to new scanner bracket system.in. So with the help of this object, we can take the input from the user by using the scanner functions. Now first of all, you have to take the input from the user, the size, because it is being written over here that you have to input n numbers. So here first of all, you have to take the input, the value of n from the user, right? Then after taking the input, you will declare an array of that size. So I am writing a message system.out.println, enter the site. Enter the site. So we are taking a variable int n equals to sc.nextInt. After taking the size input into the variable n, you will declare an array, 1D array of that size n. So for that I am writing int array, such as I am writing ar square bracket start square bracket close equals to new operator, then again int, and in the bracket you will mention the size as n. What is the use of this new operator? New operator or new keyword is used to instantiate an object or to allocate space in the memory, right? After declaring it, our first task to take the input, all the values from the user in an array. So we will again print a statement system.out.println, enter numbers. So for entering n numbers, you have to execute the loop again, because you have to repeat the same task or same part again and again, and for that we use looping or iteration. So we are executing the loop for int I equals to 0, because the index number in array always starts from 0. That's why we have to take or always start from 0 only. Then I less than n and I plus plus. Now you will write the array name such as AR, and in the bracket you will mention the index number I, so that it will extract the index number according to the loop, such as first one it is 0, so it is 0 index, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Mention the object name such as sc.nextInt. So by writing this statement, your all the values has been entered from the user into an array. Now next task, you have to input a number which you have to search in the array. So you will simply write a statement from the user, again system.out.println, enter a number to search. So for that I am taking one variable int num equals to again sc.nextInt, take the input from the user during runtime. So with this statement, user will enter a value and the value will be entered into a variable num. Now next part, what you have to do, you have to print the position. So for printing it, you have to declare a variable int such as I am taking P, initializing it as 0. One variable we are taking, flag variable. Now what is the use of flag variable? Let me tell you. Flag variable is being used such as if number is not found or number is found. If number is found, so we will initialize flag equals to 1. If number is not found, then the value of flag will remain 0. So after completing the searching part, we will check the value of flag. If it remains 0, so it's understood that number is not found or number is not present in that array. If number becomes 1, it's understood that number is being found, and we will initialize the position of that looping variable I to a variable P. So for that, what you have to do, you have to again execute a loop, students, right? So let's see the loop.